have explained very well the difference between an internal foresight champion, or someone that's involved with change management on a day-to-day process and just nudging the organization towards the future, and the difference between getting then an outsider in to shake the tree and to catalyze some sort of change.
Yes.
So let's start with what you term to be a foresight sprint. Take us through a general process that you would be involved with an organization, either pre or post strategy. What would 3 to 5 days with Tumi in the office look like for a client?
I mean, firstly, it's not 3 to 5 days. Obviously, it depends on how much time you have. But normally we offer like 2 different ways. So initially we could either do a report and a pre-report on the industry and then submit it to the group, or we work with the strategy they have. So there are 2 directions that we work with. The first one is where we do our own research and we give you the trends, depending, it can be an industry specific or just in general. We call it the State We're In report, and we give a general overview. And on day 1, we basically say what is going on in the world that has an impact on your focus area, right? And in that first day, we're saying, so what? What is it? What are the trends? According to each pillar: technology, retailer marketing, economy, natural world, diplomacy, social, cultural, right? What are these big trends, these big drivers, right? And then day 2 is like, so what? And so what? So we coming now more into these external trends. What impact do they have on your organization? So not generally.
Yeah.
And then day 3, we're saying what change needs to happen within your organization to start this journey towards pivoting, changing. We do not promise overnight change, we promise recommendations, or alternatively we do solution with you also. But the sprint part is just figuring out who, what, where, how, globally. So it's outside looking in and then looking in and seeing how you now can have an impact moving forward.